We're good?
We're good. Aren't we going lunch first?
I forgot that. Should I grab your helmet, baby? Did the menu look good? The price better than yesterday? Hello! Where should we sit? It looks so cozy.
So yesterday we were at that restaurant you saw in the video. Oh my god, that looks good. Sorry, yeah, it's our drinks that's on the way. They're coming now. I'm sorry. Wow. We were at this little restaurant on the side of the road, Chinese restaurant that looked pretty cute, but it ended up being the most expensive thing at all. Sorry, there was a lot of mosquitoes here. It was just a stupid decision, you know, it was raining and thunder and we were like, we need food, and we didn't know anything when it was that. But that's okay. We learned three things. One, we learned that we have to look at the prices on the menu and it's okay to say no thank you. Second, we learned that you have to be a bit careful about the raw vegetables. Third thing was that we learned again that Sammy loves me.
I do. So you learned some stuff yesterday.
Yes. Now I'm coming to test.
Are you not gonna eat it?
I am not. Sad.
I'm gonna go take a chance.
Nej.
I'm gonna prove ChatGPT and the world.
Matcha, tuna kimchi.
So yesterday,
Yeah.
took me 24 hours on to tell you that story, and you still don't know. So you remember when we were in the limousine bus, and then we made a stop, and going to the toilet. So it's very long toilet, and then you have like the bottom that is almost reaching your feet. And then I had not stopped peeing yet, and then I felt some water like on my feet. So the guy next to me was peeing, and then it just splashed all over my feet. It was disgusting.
It is nasty. It's incredibly nasty.
Here we are.
Here we are.
I don't know if that's where it is, but I've been seeing a lot of people stopping here. There's like the little sign. So we'll go for a little tour. We'll check around. Hello, no thank you. I'm scared of the sliders. I don't think it's worth sliding because, to be honest, I'm so warm and I'm gonna be extremely uncomfortable having sand sticking in my ass everywhere, in my t-shirt, in my underwear. No thank you. So I asked the girl in charge of the hotel where could I go and clip my hair. She couldn't really tell me how to go there, so she's just gonna take me there. Yes, I'm ready. Yes. Oh. So let's go. Shorter and shorter. It's so warm in here. Yeah, mini. mini. Yes, perfect. Very detailed. I love that. It's gonna make my hair look so. My girlfriend's gonna love that. I'm gonna take the beard as well. That was about time.
thì mới tồn tại ở trên đoạn đường tương lai.
She's gonna love it.
You look so good. Oh. That is so nice. Yeah, han är så fin. Wow.
I was supposed to pay 50. I gave him 100,000.
You look so good, Scott.
You happy?
Yes, I am very, very happy.
Food exploration again?
Yes, now we're trying a place that the very sweet lady who have this little place we're living at, Red Sands, she recommended a restaurant. So we're gonna try to go there.
Let's hope it's better than yesterday.
Oh, yes.
4 is chicken?
No,
Ga is chicken.
Ga. Chicken.
Yeah. That was a good day again.
Yes, it
Chill,
was.
very easy.
Very easy.
Editing day, sun, she got it. You got a burn.
Oh, yeah. I got a bit too much
Big
sun.
sunburn.
I really like it.
But I look young, she said.
You look younger, yeah. You look young.
Still young? Because I don't want to say how old I am. But yes, I look young.
You don't want to say how old you are.
Call the dog. I didn't pay 2,000 kron to get rage vaccine for nothing. You know? I got that to be able to play with dogs and
What do
animals.
you call it?
Rage. Rapies. That's different.
Rage vaccine. You're so mad all the time.
I'm gonna go and see the dog. He's so cute. No, he didn't want to play with me. Look at the sign. There's lizard everywhere.
Hey, don't do that to your brother. Uh-oh. Huh? Hi. The camera? Camera? Yeah. Hi. It's the sound of a game.